Show everybody my new slip-on I put on my Ducati Hypermotard. Looked everywhere, didn't want to spend a fortune on a slip-on. I looked at, of course, Termi's. They were ridiculous. Everything else I looked at was above 500. Finally found this MGP made by Hotbodies. It's called a Growler slip-on. Ended up getting it for like $2.90 off of eBay. I mean, it's not Italian quality, but it does the trick. I think it looks really, really good, actually. I like how small it is. Probably weighs about 1/3 of the stock exhaust. Cleaned the back up pretty good, too. The stock exhaust probably came, I would say, probably at about right here. So it was gigantic compared to this one. If you don't like a pretty loud exhaust, this might not be the one for you. It's a lot louder than stock. It's right on the verge of being too loud. I love it. Really deep, and they do make an insert for it, a baffle insert. I believe it's about $35 that you can add to it if it is too loud. Probably not going to add it. I'm just going to leave it like this. Super simple to put on. It probably took me maybe 15 minutes, and it actually took longer to get it adjusted just right, turning it so it wasn't sideways. Turned just right. It probably took longer to do that than to actually get the muffler on. Super simple. I'll cut it on. I don't know how good the sound quality is going to be. Now, I've never put a slip-on on a motorcycle like this, so I'm guessing the smoke that it blows out, it stops after it's warmed up. I'm going to guess that's just build up from the stock exhaust being so restrictive on it. Now it's just letting it come out. But like I said, it does. Once it gets warmed up, it stops. I would highly recommend it. I love it. I haven't put many miles on it. Well, in fact, I haven't put but probably a mile on it. Don't know how it's going to hold up, but for as of right now, it looks great, sounds great, and it was cheap. Thanks for watching.